Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly. The process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembling, and painting. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection.
Hello everyone, today I will take you to visit our undercarriage parts warehouse. This is one of our warehouse, and you can see have some idler, sprocket, rollers at here, and they are for the mining undercarriage parts, so you can find what you need at here.